Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer keeps crashing. First, restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. In the list, find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and click Restart. This refreshes the system interface and often fixes temporary issues. If the problem continues, check your system files. Click on the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This will find and repair broken system files. Now, run the next command. Open CMD as admin again and type dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press Enter. This will repair the Windows image and fix deeper problems. Another common cause is outdated drivers, especially graphics drivers. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest driver for your system. Install it and restart your computer. After completing these steps, your File Explorer should stop crashing and work normally again. Thanks for watching.